Hi, my name is Shupra. I'm your sugar makeup expert for today. This video is about how to rock the spectacles look. So let's get started. So all you people out there who wear specs just like me are always in double mind whether to put makeup on eyes or not. How much is good enough? Keep watching this video because it will give you answers to all of that. For my base, I'm using Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 02 Glow. This foundation is cream based, lightweight, comes in a stick, easy to apply, and comes with a built-in brush for blending it. A little goes a long way. It is concealing all my imperfections, filling in the pores and blending like a magic. This foundation is also waterproof and stays on your face for 12 hours. This inbuilt brush needs to be used in straight lines to blend away the foundation very lightly on your face. When it comes to makeup, less is more. Start with little foundation and build it as you need to hide the imperfections or any marks that you may have. In order to contour my face, I am using shade 03 Chocochino from the same range. To fix the foundation we've just applied, I'm using As Nude As It Gets SPF 15 Compact in the shade 02 Cappuccino. Once you've applied the foundation, it is important to fix it with a compact, otherwise the foundation tends to sit in the creases. Take the product in a powder brush, tap off the excess and lightly powder it in your T-zone area, in your laugh lines, around the nose, forehead. For contouring my face, I am using Contour de Force face palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. Your face is like a canvas after having applied foundation on it. You need to contour and add dimension to it as your face shape to make it look perfect. I am also using the blush from the same palette. Always remember, less is more. You do not want to take extra product and put it on your face. Building it up slowly is what it needs. Always remember to tap off the excess product from the brush. I am also contouring my nose with the same palette. The difference between good makeup and bad makeup is just blending. You need to really blend your makeup well. Time for our eye makeup. I'm using the same foundation as a base for my eyeshadow on my lids. Taking it in a brush and applying it with light hand and blending it as I apply all across the lid area. Never ever apply your eyeshadow directly to your eyelids. Always apply a base first so that your eyeshadow actually gives better color payoff and sticks to your eyelids and doesn't crease. Also, because of the lines of the skin on the lids are horizontal, you need to use your brush in vertical motion. For eyes, I'm using Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 Vogue. I'm using the shade Cream from the palette all over my eyelid area, also bringing it slightly under the eye. I'm intensifying the crease with medium brown and bringing it towards the outer end of the eye in a C kind of shade. This palette is a mix of matte shades and creamy metallic shades. I'm using the Deep Plum shade for my lower lash line. For my lower waterline, I'm using Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal in the shade 02 Still Got Blue. This is adding a little pop of color to your otherwise spectacled eyes to make them stand out. For upper lash line, I am using I Told You So Smudge Proof Eyeliner in the shade 01 Black Swan. Defining my eyes, giving it a nice almond shape. The mascara I am using next is Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in the shade 01 Black with a Bang. To finish my eye makeup, I'm using Archer Eyebrow Brow Definer in the shade 02 Soap Tom. Defining brows is extremely important. It's like framing your face. You need to fill in the gaps and give it a proper shape. Last but not least, for my lips, I'm using It's a Pout Shine Vivid Lipstick in the shade 09 Better Call Salmon. It's a nude shade, earthy tone, so that our eyes pop out and lips do not take center stage. Perfect for day wear, easy to apply directly. This is the final look. So all of y'all, just don't be spectacled when you can be spectacular. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. See you later.